Greetings everyone, Rick here. Today I want to discuss something with you. Lots of questions I get for this whenever choosing a system is, which way do I go? What would your demands be in choosing a system? What is your lifestyle like in choosing a system? I know for me, the most important thing for me was the most natural looking system I could find, which is what led me to the HD111 that I have. But if you are one that are very active, you work out, you go to the gym, you swim, you play sports, you do all that, or your job requires a lot of you, you might want something that's a little bit more durable. How long do you need this to last you? Do you not mind replacing it more often? Then get something that is like what I've got. You can get this natural look, but that's not to say you can't achieve this in other ways. It's nice to have a system that's durable and more natural that you can put on and you can not worry about it for several weeks. Now, particularly if you are one that, you wear your hair kind of down, you don't particularly have an exposed hairline, oh my goodness, there's a million options for you there for that. You can get something more durable and not ever have to worry about that. But if you're as picky about it as I am, like this front hairline, then you're probably going to need something that's a thinner skin versus a poly skin that's a bit thicker. Of course, the thicker the skin is, that makes it more durable, right? The thinner the skin is, the more careful that you are with it. I don't have any problems with that, but that being said, you have to understand there are a couple of trains of thought here. How durable do you want it? Are you demanding on that front hairline? Are you very, very active in your lifestyle? Do you go into an air-conditioned office and sit all day? Well, all of those things are to be considered when you choose a Super Hairpieces hair system. But I'll tell you this for sure, there is one that's the perfect answer for you. You can get a hold of Super Hairpieces. They have professional consultations that will help you pick that. They'll be able to talk to you and instruct you and guide you and answer your questions. So if you're confused, and I've gotten comments before say, Rick, I just don't know which way to go. If you're in that position, then let me encourage you. Get a hold of Super Hairpieces. They will be able to listen to you, understand what your needs are, and then give you advice on going the right direction. Makes it much more simple. Superhairpieces.com, try that out. They'll answer all your questions.